Hi Komal, how are you?
Hi sir, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good too, thank you. So can you tell us something about yourself?
Yes, sir, sure. First of all, sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
Mhm,
Myself, Komal Sarak. Basically, I'm from Solapur, but currently living in Pune. As far as my education concerned, I have completed my graduation with in BBA with computer application.
mhm,
Mm, Talking about from Savitribai Phule Pune University, talking about my technical skill, so I have a strong knowledge of both like manual and automation testing.
mhm,
In manual testing, I have knowledge of how to writing and executing test cases.
mhm,
Apart from that, I have knowledge of different kind of testing like smoke, sanity, regression, retesting, functional, non-functional, etc. And also I'm aware about the different types of methodology like V model, waterfall model, agile scrum methodology, etc. Also software development life cycle, SDLC, bug life cycle.
mhm.
And about my automation skill, so I have aware about web service automation testing.
Okay,
Uh, for that, I'm using Selenium as a tool and Java as a language. In the Java, I'm aware about the hooks concepts, string, arrays, etc. Also in automation, I'm aware about the TestNG framework, page object model, different types of locators, how to handle the XPath using these locators. That's all about myself. Thank you.
great, great. Thank you so much, Komal.
Thank you, sir.
So let's start with the core Java first. Can you tell us the output of this program? Is the screen
Okay,
visible
sir.
to you? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So can you tell us the output of this program?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So,
So there will be two print statements.
yeah, but here we cannot declare the value like 10 or 12, 20 or compile time error.
No, compile time error will not come. See, you'll get this as the output. For the first statement, you will get 30 RD. So 10 plus 20 plus this will be getting appended. And for the next, you will get RD 1020. So this will be the output because it's it's getting appended, right? It's a string. That's why it's taking like that. Here it will perform the arithmetic operation. Here it will not perform.
Okay.
Okay. So this will be the output of this program. Okay. So now, are you clear with the explanation or shall I explain you again?
Sorry, sir.
Are you clear with the explanation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll explain you once again. I thought see, in the first case, this is the first case where 10 and 20 are treated as numbers itself and they are being added to be 30. Okay. Here the arithmetic operation is taking place. There sum is 30 is treated as a string itself. So 30 we are getting and RD string is getting concatenated. It is getting appended. So output will be 30 RD. In the second case, string RD is concatenated with 10, right? So RD 10 and then the 20 will get appended. So RD 10, 20 will come, right? So that's how you can explain an interview as well. Okay, now
Okay.
this is good. Let's move to the next question. What is constructor?
Constructor. It means actually in
How do you?
constructor,
Yeah, please go ahead.
okay. Actually in constructor, there is a one condition, constructor name and class name both are the same. There are different types of constructor like default constructor, parameterization constructor, and uh, in default constructor, we cannot declare the uh, it is by default in Java. And when we declare the parameter in constructor, for that we use the parameterization constructor.
Mhm.
And also in constructor,
Do you want me to help you out?
yes,
Yeah. Okay. No worries. See, what is a constructor? So you will get this question in an interview. So a constructor is nothing but it can be defined as a special type of method that is used to initialize the state of an object. Every time, whenever you create an object using the new keyword, the default constructor of the class is called, right? The constructor name is same as the class name, and constructor does not has the return type. Right now, there are two types of constructor: default constructor and the parameterized constructor. Default constructor we saw. In case of parameterized constructor, you can initialize the variables instance with the given values, right? So you can pass them as an arguments. So that is the parameterized constructor. As the name itself suggests, parameterized. So that means you can pass the parameters, right? Okay. Okay. Now, does constructor return any value?
mm, no, sir.
No. Are you sure?
Yes,
Okay, so let this be an open question for the people who are watching this video. Does constructor return any value? Right? Please put your answer in the comment section of the video and we'll be responding in the comment section itself about the correct answer of this question. Okay. Okay, now what is a static variable?
uh, when we declare a static variable in a class, this variable we cannot change. The
Hmm.
value of variable is static.
Right.
Uh,
Value cannot be changed. So for example, you can take company name of the employees, right? It
uh,
might get changed, but it is very rare. College name of the students, right? So
uh,
these are few of the examples in which you can say you can declare them as a static, right? The static variables, they get memory only once in the class area, right? So you can explain the static variable belongs to the class itself rather than the object.
uh,
Okay, now can we override the static methods?
no, sir. We cannot override the static method.
Correct. We cannot override the static method. Okay. What is this keyword in Java?
Uh, we use the when we use the in inheritance we use the this keyword when we use the object of parent class in child class, and
Mm-hmm.
when we call the child class method using parent class, in that time we use the this keyword to call the child class method.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What else you will tell? Anything else you would like to add in your answer?
We use the in constructor also we use the this keyword.
Mm-hmm. Right. So there are two questions. First is what is this keyword? Next is what are the uses of this keyword? Where all it can be used? So if you get such kind of question in an interview, then you can answer in this manner. So let me share my screen. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this keyword is a reference variable. It refers to the current object itself. right? It can also be passed as an argument into the methods or constructors, and you can use this keyword in various ways. So you can also include this in your answer. So what in which all places this keyword will be used? So this can be used to refer to the current class instance variable. This can be used to invoke current class method, right? This can be used to invoke the current class constructor itself. Then this can be passed as an argument in the method call or in the constructor call. This can be used to return the current class instance from the method. So these are the various advantages, various uses of this keyword that you can answer in an interview. Okay. Okay, right. What is object?
The object that is nothing but it is a object is in OOPS concept.
Mm-hmm.
Object we are bind, bind the data and data member function together in a single unit.
Okay. Any example that you can give related to object?
Yes, sir.
Any example that you are able to recall related to object?
Mm, for example, we create a one class and there is one method and we pass the one string uh,
Mm-hmm.
in this class, and when we call this uh, when we call these methods in a class for that we use create an object of that class and pass the in object we pass uh, the reference method name or reference variable.
Mm-hmm. So what is object? You will get this question. So object is nothing but it's an entity, something that has got state and behavior. For example, you can say chair, then bike, or you can say car, table. Those are all the examples of object you can give. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now let me share my screen. So what would be the output of this Java program? Are you able to understand the program?
Yes, sir. Firstly, sir, 10111 and
Yes.
Karan and
Yeah. Output would be
111 and Karan and yes, student yes to as a also 111 and Karan.
okay. So you are telling the output would be Karan and 111 Karan. Two
No,
outputs would be there.
yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let me tell you the output. Oh, my screen sharing got stopped. Yeah. See, you are calling this method s1.display, s2.display. What is in the display method? You have got system.out.println itself. Okay. ID is 111 Karan. In the second one also, you will get 111 Karan itself. That is S1.
yes,
Okay. This is easy. This is self-explanatory. In this, what is happening is you are again calling S1 itself.
yes.
Okay. So it will be 111 Karan itself. Okay, great. Now, can you write a Java program to print the Fibonacci series?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm giving you screen sharing rights. Yeah, so you can click on share screen button, green button.
Now my screen is visible, sir.
Yeah, not yet. It's loading. Yeah, it's visible.
Which program, sir? Sorry.
Yeah, so you need to write a Java program to print the Fibonacci series. Hello, hello, Komal. Sorry,
Hello.
my internet got disconnected. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so can you write the program for Fibonacci
Yes,
series? Yeah, okay.
yes.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So Komal, can you explain this program? What you are
Yes, sir.
doing? Yeah.
Yeah. So firstly, we declare the variable like integer n is equal to 0 and n is equal to 2.
Hmm.
Sorry. And we return the we give the 10 variables to return the count of this with
Hmm.
in this 10 variables. Then we print the that number 0 and 1. For that we use the system.out.print, and after that we use another for loop printing another for loop uh, start from 2 because 1 and 0 is already print. And after that, sir,
So what is Fibonacci series? Let's first focus on that. What is Fibonacci series?
Fibonacci series, that is nothing but there is a odd numbers present in the Fibonacci series, like the
No, no.
1, 3, 5.
No, no, it's not like that. So let me explain you Fibonacci series. Yeah, let me share my screen. I'll explain you Fibonacci series. Is my screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, Fibonacci series means the third number will be the addition of first two numbers. And then the fourth number will be addition of second and third number. The fifth number will be addition of third and fourth number. Okay, so that's how the Fibonacci series is printed. And you can use two approaches for this program. One is the for loop and one is the recursion method. Right? So that's how you can write the Fibonacci series program.
Okay.
Okay, Komal?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Komal?
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Am I
yeah.
audible?
Yes, yes, audible, audible.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, Komal. It was nice talking to you and wish you all the best for your career ahead.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sir. I have one question.
Yeah, yeah. Your
Is there
video
any
is not coming
suggestion?
actually, and I'm facing some audio issues. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Now,
Yeah, yeah. You're
okay.
visible. Yeah. Tell me.
So actually, is there any suggestion for me?
Yeah, yeah. So I think your Java is getting improved day by day. You have learned a lot of good things in Java, and you have to keep on doing revision on important Java concepts like constructors, objects. So today you are not able to give the example of objects in Java, so you can do those kind of revisions because those kind of questions will be asked to you in an interviews, right? Rest all looks
Okay.
good, right? So thank you so much once again, and all the best for your career.
Okay, sir. Thank you for.
Yeah, thank you.